Hey guys, welcome to the ITS store where we get you the gear you need to get up, get out, and get after it. Today we're taking a look at our Boo Boo Kit. This is a full-featured first aid kit that contains quality components and enough of them that you're not having to restock all the time. These kits utilize the same TrueFlex material that's found in our ETA Trauma Kits, and it is extremely durable and flexible. The front of the bag features a full contents list as well as the Boo Boo Kit branding to let people know it's a first aid kit. On the back you'll find that same Boo Boo Kit branding, but also an emergency information section where you can note things like your name, birth date, physician, and emergency contact information. It's also got a spot for you to fill out any allergies and your blood type. The TrueFlex material that this is printed on also makes a great surface for writing with a permanent marker, and it dries almost immediately. So inside the Boo Boo Kit, we've got the contents organized a bit for you so you can find what you need quickly, and it's not everything just all loose in a bag. The heart of this kit is wound management, so we'll start off with the Sal Jet, which creates a steady stream of pressure with a saline solution for irrigation. There's also a 2-pack of 4x4 gauze pads for larger injuries and 2 smaller 2x2 gauze pads as well. To attach the gauze, we've included a full roll of 3M Durapore surgical tape, which is far better than anything else on the market, and it's easy to remove from the skin. For splinting and 1,000 other uses, we've also included a triangular bandage that comes with 2 safety pins to secure it. If going lip to lip for CPR gives you the willies, we've also included a pocket-sized face shield for rescue breathing. Along the same lines of protecting against bloodborne pathogens, we include a pair of size large quality nitrile gloves in this fashionable purple, which coincidentally also shows blood better than many other colors of gloves. For sanitizing, after you've handled your business or saved the day, we also include 2 sanitizing wipes in the Boo Boo Kits. And in the elements, ticks and splinters are a concern, so these precision metal tweezers are included to remove any of those unwanted visitors. Moving on, we've also included a 4-inch strip of moleskin that's great for treating blisters or hot spots on long hikes. It's an adhesive back moleskin, so it's easy to apply and stays put. Speaking of adhesive, the Boo Boo Kit also features 10 Band-Aids. These are the real deal, not the dollar store variety, and they're fabric, so they'll move with your skin while also staying put. The Boo Boo Kit contains 6 1-inch Band-Aids and 4 3/4-inch Band-Aids for a total of 10. If you've got a cut or other injury that's just too big for a Band-Aid, we've also included 2 packs of 3M Steri-Strips in the Boo Boo Kit. These are really great reinforced skin closures, so you're not having to suture someone in the field. Each Steri-Strip pack includes 3 individual strips, so you'll receive a total of 6 strips. For wound preparations, we've included both alcohol prep pads and iodine prep pads in case you don't want to use alcohol. There are 2 of each of these pads included in the ITS Boo Boo Kit. Stings and burns are another type of injury you might encounter when out and about, and to treat both of these, we've included 2 packages of burn gel and 2 packages of sting relief. Anyone that's dealt with nasty summer mosquito bites would pay almost anything to have one of these sting relief pads. Infection is always a risk when it comes to wound care, and to help offset some of that, we've included 2 packages of this triple antibiotic ointment. These packages are super durable and allow you to apply the ointment directly to further reduce the risk of infection. In colder or windy climates, chapped lips can put you down, but you'll be ready for that with the 2 included packages of Guard Lip Ointment. As a side note, this stuff smells amazing and it makes the whole Boo Boo Kit smell great. I'm not sure if that's quite a selling point, but if you care about the way that your kits smell, just wait until you get a whiff of these bad boys. Lastly, let's move on to the medication portion of the Boo Boo Kit. Here you'll find medications to deal with pretty much anything you can think of when you're in the outdoors or out and about. Starting off, we've got what those in the military will know as the cure-all, and that is ibuprofen. Similar to tussin, no matter what issue you have, ibuprofen is the way to treat it. In reality, it's just a great pain reliever and fever reducer. Also for pain treatment, we've included 2 packs of aspirin for the run-of-the-mill aches and pains, and if you're saying, wait, I can't take aspirin, that's okay. We've also got 2 packages of non-aspirin included in each Boo Boo Kit. For those battling seasonal allergies where it seems like Mother Nature just won't let up, keep these 2 included packs of Difen close at hand. This antihistamine is great for that runny nose and itchy throat that usually follows being attacked by a rampant wildflower or dandelion. If you've got an expired MRE that you're taking a risk on and it ends up going bad for you, we've included 2 packs of Diamode Anti-Diarrheal to help you turn that back porch faucet off. If it's a particularly bad case, you may end up dehydrated, which can get dangerous quickly, so we've included 2 packs of electrolyte tablets to help fend off that dehydration. We also offer 2 supplemental items that don't come in the Boo Boo Kit but are easy to add onto your order. The first item helps stop larger bleeds by applying a hemostatic agent, which this Quick Clot 4x4 contains. Lastly, we've got a single-use instant cold pack for reducing swelling or quick relief from the heat. These two things also fit into the extra room that's available in the Boo Boo Kit, as well as when it's stored in our ITS Medical Edition zip bag. Check out our store description and photos for more information on the Boo Boo Kit, as well as the additional add-ons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at support@itstactical.com. As always, thanks for joining us here in the ITS store, where we get you the gear you need to get up, get out, and get after it.